Welcome to Futures Flight, where we explore the cutting edge of technology and innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of naval operations and the game-changing advancements they're embracing. Introducing the ANCILLARY program, the Navy's latest leap into the future. This program is all about long-endurance vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial systems, or VTOL UAS for short. These aren't your average drones. Designed for endurance, these aerial marvels can stay aloft for unprecedented durations, revolutionizing how the Navy performs reconnaissance, surveillance, and even logistics. Imagine the possibilities: constant aerial coverage without the need for frequent landings, immediate supply deliveries to remote locations, and real-time data collection over vast oceanic expanses. The ANCILLARY program is more than just an upgrade, it's a transformation of our naval capabilities. The strategic advantage of long-endurance VTOL UAS is immeasurable. With such technology at their disposal, naval operations can be more efficient, more responsive, and more informed than ever before. Stay tuned to future flights as we continue to bring you the latest in tech that's shaping our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time.